What I have here is a patient-specific, additively manufactured titanium interbody fusion device, which is a mouthful. Essentially, it is a patient-specific spine cage. So what's cool about additively manufacturing these devices is the porous structure and the lattice structure that you can see here. Because you can control these structures, you can maximize the benefits of each one individually. You can open that lattice up so you have better visibility in the joint, or you can tighten that lattice and minimize the porosity for maximizing osseointegration at the bone contacting surfaces. An important factor about the additive manufacturing of these implants is that you can make it patient-specific. This means that you can design these implants to directly contour to the vertebral surfaces, and you can use them to correct extreme deformities in the spine. In fact, it's been shown that these patient-specific interbodies demonstrate better alignment than standard implants and reduced stress in the joint space, which lowers the risk of subsidence.